Want to teach your clients how to be financially savvy when it comes to their family security? Here are 3 essential things they need to know about life insurance. First, the life insurance equals the death benefit. It's a payment to their family when they pass away, plain and simple. Second, it's about providing for their future if the client is no longer there. It's a selfless act, ensuring that they can maintain their lifestyle and cover essential needs. Third, the death benefit is specifically designed to replace lost income and to cover immediate critical needs like mortgages, education expenses, and daily living costs. It's financial protection, not primarily an investment. Help your client master these 3 points. This clarity empowers them to make informed decisions.